I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox thinking you're on mobile. First, let's ensure your browser isn't tricking Roblox. Many users accidentally enable mobile emulation or have extensions that alter their user agent. We'll also check your display settings, as unusual scaling can sometimes confuse applications. Making sure these initial checks are done correctly can often resolve the issue quickly, saving you a lot of frustration before diving into more complex solutions. Next, we'll dive into your browser's user agent settings. Open your browser's developer tools, usually by pressing F12 or right-clicking and selecting Inspect. Navigate to the Network Conditions or Emulation tab. Here, ensure the user agent is set to default or a specific desktop browser like Chrome on Windows. Disable any mobile or tablet overrides. A quick browser restart will then apply these crucial changes. If browser settings aren't the culprit, let's focus on the Roblox client itself. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as old data can sometimes cause conflicts. A complete reinstallation of the Roblox player application can also resolve corrupted files or incorrect configurations. Additionally, check any display or interface settings within the Roblox application. Finally, ensure your operating system has all the latest updates installed for optimal compatibility. For persistent issues, consider these advanced steps. Temporarily disable all third-party browser extensions, as some can interfere with website detection. Try accessing Roblox using a completely different web browser, such as Firefox or Edge, to isolate if the problem is browser-specific. Also, verify that no virtual private network or proxy services are active, as these can sometimes alter how websites perceive your device. If all else fails, gather your troubleshooting steps and contact Roblox support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.